Did he go under the boat?
Hey, Greg.
Here, Bill. What are you touching?
This thing up.
I'm good.
Bill, here.
No. I want to see you do this.
Yeah, I want to see this thing come out of the water.
Who's gonna hook him?
I'll get it. Yeah, you're probably better at it.
Yeah. For some reason, I'm not fully confident
Yeah,
of your hooking abilities of sharks.
We were on one of those party boats like that.
Yeah.
Can you see it, Rob?
Yeah. No kidding.
She actually reeled it in. Are you videoing, Steve?
Is that all right, Rob?
Are you gonna take a long time for this?
Rob, do you mind if I video you?
No.
Greg?
What? Am I in the way? Is that strong enough line to get him in?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You see him?
Way back out of the way. Yeah, that's 90-pound line, but the leader is 40, I thought.
I can see the jig is hooked right in the front lip, so it's not like it's in its mouth.
So then it's small. See what I have in there.
All I did is cut up that grunt in half and just stab the shit out of it. Come on. Here, there goes back to the rat holder.
That goes up top. Up here.
Right here? This one didn't have it.
That's the one he had it out of?
Fish on this side, too.
Rob, you need a beer?
I'm gonna. You want to tap out? Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. Pretty cool.
It's coming up off the bottom a little bit finally.
Hey, that beer. Beer's over here for you.
About that,
We're gonna get them. We're not? Right. We're not gonna bring him in. How big is he?
The shark?
It's gotta be.
Huh?
He's probably 4 foot.
4 foot?
Yeah, we'll get him. I don't know. I don't know. That's just my guess from here.
Rob, do you need a break?
Pretty big one.
Do you?
I don't know.
Greg?
I'm good.
Greg, you want to give him a, you want
I'm
to tap?
relaxed, dude. Why would I need a break?
Here he comes up.
He's coming. Oh, maybe it's bigger than that. Oh, it's a pretty good one.
I don't know if this is going to capture it or not, Rob.
Oh, that's awesome. Get him up.
Just lip him like a bass, Bill.
Yeah.
Here it is, Bob.
Ready to get him in?
Oh, gosh, that's a big. He's bigger than 4.
Oh, yeah, he's bigger. Yeah. We might have a tough time hanging on there. Where's that gap? We'll probably lose the gap.
Is he taking off?
Yeah.
He just went back to the bottom.
That is unbelievable. That is. You had a really nice day, Bob.
Well, I know about it for a long time.
Yeah. That's that thing. Mark.
What kind of shark is that? Bull shark or something? Or what's that? What kind of shark is that?
Nurse.
Nurse shark?
Doesn't sound as tough now, does it?
Yeah, they're not. They're not real aggressive. They don't bite people.
It might bite Rob.
There was a Michigan woman here.
Rob, you're coming up on 5 minutes of recording. This is getting a little ridiculous.
There was a
Pretty
woman
suspicious
diving
anyway.
around here in Michigan.
You need a break?
15 years ago. One of these, a big one of these, got on top of her.
Rob.
Took her down the
Hey,
bottom.
Greg, yeah.
Shit.
They didn't try and bite her.
Greg,
Yo.
he's ready for a break.
Well, Rob's gonna need a beer.
I just gave him a
Someone different.
drink.
Kevin will do it.
Kevin, you want to jump in and give him a break?
Who's coming up?
Or Bill.
Coming up now. I don't want to lose this thing.
Yeah, I don't want to lose it.
Yeah, you usually
I don't
do.
know. I mean,
I forgot, you do usually lose the biggest fish.
Up for
Right at the boat.
I forgot about your skills. This one
At least you should be able to get some decent pictures of him. There. Oh, you did it. Oh, you let him go the wrong way. Oh, here it comes. I doubt we're going to pick it inside. But
here it comes.
yeah, it's more like.
oh, I think. Oh,
I'm gonna try to get the fish. We know what Rob looks like.
I don't know. What are you chanting for?
I'm sweating. Hey.
Wow.
Need to get a little bit more.
yeah, you got it.
I got the leader.
He's gonna be tired too, Rob.
I don't think so.
Hey, why you letting me back out?
You know, when you're resting, he's resting.
There you go.
Get this.
I feel like it's
Yeah, it is.
7.5, Rob. 7.5 minutes.
Time's up.
You got it.
I hear him saying I get.
How much you think that thing weighs?
Here he comes.
Over 100.
So close.
I don't want to hurt him.
Small, are you? What we're gonna do here, Bill? You're gonna jump on, get it by the fence right there, and wrestle it. No, it'll work.
Greg, reach in there with your hand and just pick him up.
Look it.
There, you got him.
You got it.
Oh yeah.
I got him or he's got me.
Help him out, Greg, so he doesn't roll him. Help him out so he doesn't.
Now what?
Pull it. Doesn't have big teeth anyway. Hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Did you get off? Here, you want me to grab him?
You ever get a photo?
There, it's out.
Bring him all the way in.
No, that's all right.
Get back up.
You guys are fun to watch.
Bring him
All
in.
right, we don't need it. He's just gonna beat the shit out of everything in the boat.
Yeah.
It's still on video.
If you want, I can get it.
What's that?
You want me to yank him in?
No.
No.
Good job.
Yeah, Rob.
Get him in. If you want him in.
I don't want him here. That's all right. He's caught now.
Rob, Simons.
All the pictures you wanted.
You want me to get him in the air a little?